sacrificed his life. He has sacrificed all his time to get this autonomous state for us and for you and for all of us, Bhoti district. It is not for himself and it is not for his family. It is all for us, both the Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao people.
तो यह है कि हम लोग का ये बहुत दिन से मांग है, बहुत साल से मांग है। 1986 और उसके आगे 1960 से हम लोग मांग कर रहे हैं। वो मांग तो भारत संविधान का 244 क से है, 244A से हम लोग मांग कर रहे हैं कि असम में 2 पहाड़िया जिला है, कार्बी आंगलोंग और दिमा हासाओ। ये दोनों पहाड़िया जिला मिला के एक स्वायत्त शासित राज्य, एक ऑटोनोमस स्टेट बनाना चाहिए। ये ऑटोनोमस स्टेट तो ऐसा है कि ये ऑटोनोमस स्टेट तो असम के अंदर ही रहेगा, असम से अलग नहीं, ये सेपरेट स्टेट नहीं, ये तो सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट के लिए है। हम लोग का पहाड़िया जिला अभी तो बहुत बैकवर्ड है, अभी तो खुद डेवलप नहीं हुआ। यहाँ ज़्यादा ट्राइबल लोग हैं, वो हमेशा हम लोग को नेगलेक्ट करता है, असम गवर्नमेंट नेगलेक्ट करता है हम लोग को। इसलिए उसको डेवलप के लिए हम लोग मांग कर रहे हैं। हम लोग जब डेवलप होगा, असम भी डेवलप होगा। हम लोग का डेवलपमेंट असम का डेवलपमेंट है। हम लोग का जो काउंसिल है ये तो पैसा नहीं है इतना, तो हम लोग का कैसा डेवलप होगा? अभी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी नहीं देगा, असम गवर्नमेंट भी नहीं देगा, तब तो हम लोग ट्राइबल ही रहेगा। हम लोग भी थोड़ा डेवलपमेंट तो चाहिए ना। जहाँ नागालैंड भी पहले तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट था, अभी स्टेट हो गया, वो लोग बहुत डेवलप हो गया। मणिपुर भी स्टेट हो गया, वो लोग को बहुत डेवलप हो गया। अरुणाचल स्टेट हो गया, डेवलप हो गया। अभी इधर मणिपुर, नागालैंड, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय सब कुछ डेवलप हो गया, लेकिन हम लोग तो अभी तक डेवलप नहीं हुआ। ये तो इंडिया गवर्नमेंट का बहुत नेगलेक्ट है। ट्राइबल लोगों को डेवलपमेंट के लिए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कभी भी नहीं सोचता है, इसलिए ये तो बहुत अफसोस का बात है। इसलिए हम लोग मांग कर रहेगा जब तक हम जिंदा रहेगा।
For the indigenous people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, we, the Karbi Student Association, along with Karjas Dikom, Karsa, KRA, have come to Delhi and we are staging dharna here at Jantar Mantar, appealing the government of India to introduce the government bill, Article 244A. In this regard, I, on behalf of the Karbi Student Association, would like to remind BJP government, the central government and the state government, that your leader, LK Advani, Rajnath Singh, Tapir Gao have assured the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao that if BJP comes into power, Article 244A of the Indian Constitution will be implemented. But it is very astonishing, it is very shameful for us that Article 244A is still yet to implement. Therefore, my direct question to the state government and the central government, that if you keep on betraying us like this, if you keep on cheating us like this, then in the days to come, the BJP will be nowhere in Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. This is our direct challenge to BJP government. BJP government under the leadership of Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, they have been sending their agents to Karbi Anglong in different form. They have been sending their agents like something like PGR and VGR situation is also happening in Karbi Anglong, and other issues, 6 schedule issues, all these things are happening in Karbi Anglong. These are nothing but just because of the agencies of BJP government from this Delhi central government. So we would like to appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Assam government and government of India to kindly look into the matter in regards to PGR and VGR as well also, because PGR and VGR has now become the sole issue for the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. Thank you.
We are here to humbly appeal both the government so that we are granted this particular political aspiration of the hills people. Because we also want to be in a political position, tribal people, Karbi, Dimasa, etc. Because in Assam, the history says that so far, since the inception of Assam, Chief Minister has been from Upper Assam, from central portion of the state, and from Lower Assam. That is why, when there is a political imbalance, how it is? Because so far, there has not been Chief Minister in Assam from Hills area, there has not been Chief Minister from Borak village. So because of this political imbalance, we are compelled to do this. We are compelled to pursue this particular issue, political issue. Until and unless this is fulfilled, then political imbalance will continue. And when political imbalance continues, then nothing will happen. No development will come. Only lollipop we will achieve. That is why it must have to be fulfilled by the government of India. It is, and it will be in future also will continue until and unless this is fulfilled. So we want to raise ourselves. Karbi people, Dimasa people, Mar, then other, then Diva people, all the tribal people. We want to be like you. We want to be equal footing with you. Our people should have more doctors. Our people should have more engineers, and our people should have more IAS officers. And as of now, we don't have, because we have no facility for producing all these things from our communities. But as and when we achieve autonomous state, that everything will be done by ourselves, and we will be able to do everything for development in all fronts. Only this much. And I hope that under the leadership of Narendra Modi, the present government, there will be, so far as I have heard, then there will be an agenda within this 18th parliament for creation of smaller states. Because I can quote here, in United States of America, the population of USA is 1/4 of India's population, but they have 50 number of states. Here, though we are having more population, but we have how many states? 58 or something, less than 50. And I know, and I am sure that Modi ji will create as many as, in total as many as 50 states, 50 प्रदेश का पुनर्गठन करने का जो एजेंडा वो लेंगे, मैंने सुना. इसलिए because of this we can assure ourselves that our matter also will be taken up as and when government of India under the leadership of Modi ji takes up the matter for creating new smaller states, so that, and at that moment our political aspiration also will be fulfilled, as I believe, and political imbalance also will be made balanced, because political imbalance creates what to call this one, misequation in all fronts. So we are here together, different organizations. We may have different what to call this one, ideology or so and so and so, but for this particular issue, people living in this Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao have no difference. We are one. Whoever comes here, we raise this particular issue for the all-round development of tribal and non-tribal people who have been living in these 3 districts peacefully since inception. And prolong my speech. With this few speech, I conclude, and before that, I raise my slogan: No to Namaste! No to Namaste! No to Namaste! Ojit Timong Jindabad! Ojit Timong Jindabad! Tim Karbi Anglong Jindabad! Karbi Anglong Tamas Council CN Pilihan Mohansal Jindabad! MP Omar Singh Kisau Jindabad! Devolver Galosa Jindabad! Karbi Anglong Jindabad! West Karbi Anglong Jindabad! Dima Hasao Jindabad! Tribal unity long live! No to Namaste! Thank you. Think to ourselves. We should think to ourselves. Why? Because without having any problem, we could reach here last night. And here we are not for enjoyment, we are not for abusing anyone or any government, but we are here to request, we are here to appeal in a humble way so that the government of India places this government bill for implementation of Article 244A, which is a political, not only political, that is a constitutional commitment of the government of India and the government of Assam right from 1971. And also, it is a political commitment of the BJP. The Pirgaon, the then National General Secretary of the BJP, wrote a letter to our organization with the commitment that this particular party, that is my party, would do its best for implementation. And thereafter, LK Advani came to Khairani University, Karbi Anglong.